Visual English Lab.
Visual English Lab.
To say hello to people, you can say hello or hi. It is friendly to wave your hand. We say hello when we meet someone. To talk about yesterday, the verb changes. For example, today I eat, but yesterday I ate. Today I go. Yesterday I went. It is the past. When you talk about your life experiences, you can say, I have visited, or I have seen. I have visited 3 countries. Have you ever traveled? To give advice in an imaginary situation, you can say, if I were you. He is very stressed. If I were him, I would relax. When you meet someone new, you can introduce yourself. You can say, hello, my name is Alex. Or you can say, hi, I'm Alex. We use am with I. We use is with he or she. We use are with you and they. For example, they are happy. To describe an action that is happening right now, we add ing to the verb. For example, she is running or he is reading. For a future plan that depends on something else, we use if and will. If I have time, I will call you. If it is sunny, sometimes the action is more important than who does it. The machines process the orders. Or we can say, the orders are processed by machines. We use these words for people. I for me, you for the other person, he for a boy, she for a girl, and we for a group.